Box cover, Chris Breezy! I swear the universe is out to get you. I put a spell on you. I do understand that a lot of people hold the entire abuse incident with Rihanna against you, but geez, the guy can't catch a break. So in case you've been under a rock or Trump's here, so R&B singer Chris Brown has been taken into custody for allegedly pulling a firearm on a young lady.
A white lady.
So right about now, you can just go and grab a popcorn, get a snack, something to drink, so I can give you the Quattro Uno Uno or the Cat aka the 411. So Chris Brown is there at his house with his friends, his homeboys, as well as some people that weren't really invited there. But I guess everyone was just there enjoying themselves and partying.
So the roof is on fire!
Oh, and singer Ray J was there as well, turning up.
Chickens is watching.
Then box cover, a jewelry man somehow decides to just show off some of his pieces to Chris's homeboys. And at this point, the young lady in question, Bailey Curran, a former pageant girl, or so she claims, jumps up and starts to look at the expensive pieces of jewelry. Like, oh my god, what is the cost of this? This would look so good on this hand. And it's alleged that Chris Brown saw that was going on, got upset, and asked her to leave by pointing a gun towards her face.
Hey girl, come out of my house.
So Bailey claims that after Chris did this, she ducked and decided to leave the house.
All honestly think I wanted this and I caused this. If somebody put a gun to your head, what would you do? Call the police?
After which, she called the police and TMZ. And it's at this point that Ray J tried to leave and flee the scene. Police caught him, confiscated his car, so he had to take a Uber.
Driver! Don't stop at all!
So then the police came, helicopters surrounded the house, and Chris was like,
I ain't coming out unless you guys have a warrant.
Police are come run!
whew. So then eventually Chris Brown came out the house after his lawyer showed up, and the police took him into custody. But here's what Chris Brown had to say.
So I'm sleep half the damn night. I just wake up. All these motherfucking helicopter choppers is around. Police out there at the gate. I don't even fuck ugly bitches.
Yep, this is just messed up. Box cover! So the police are saying that Chris Brown and company, his homeboys, threw a duffel bag filled with guns and drugs outside of the home. Does that make sense? You mean to tell me that Chris knew that police and helicopters surrounded his house and he would have thought of the smart idea to throw the guns outside the house? But give up, Chris. Me no know. Maybe I just need a mineral bath to cut and clear all of the crosses. I know you're kind of bipolar and sometimes get crazy, but I just feel that people are just trying to keep you going down. And also, this girl could actually be telling the truth, but something just tells me that she's just seeking her 15 minutes of fame. Like that girl that leaked the Usain Bolt pictures.
Leave these model girls alone.
He better call Becky with the good hair.
On second thought, you might need to call Keisha with the afro.
Hello, Mama Africa. How are you?
So since then, several celebrities have come out in support of Chris Brown, such as Mike Epps, Lil Mama, Delicious from Flavor of Love, and Ray J. I just think that something is just wrong. It's like they're trying to crush this man into the ground. It's just mess after mess after mess after mess. And at this point, I'm just like, leave Chris Brown alone! Conspiracy alert! Isn't it weird that ever since the domestic abuse charges, whenever Rihanna goes here, Chris goes here? Rihanna got the Vanguard Award at the VMAs on Sunday. And box cover, days later, a Chris Brown that I end up in a crisis because of that girl. And just recently too, he was caught up in a fresh feud with rapper Drake.
Who else in this game she gonna go to?
Not in
Some
music.
corny singing rappers?
Some corny singing rapper named Aubrey. Okay.
And as you know, Drake and Rihanna are kinda dating. It really makes you think. And then when you think about his latest video, released just days before, Grass Ain't Greener. Life imitating art. It is like his vid was a premonition.
Chris, you always chasing the girl. Damn, look at us, bro.
I just really hope that Drake isn't somewhere laughing like...
Got him.
That's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry show. I am Dutty Berry. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to the 100k mark. So please help me. Tell a friend and share the video. If you need to contact me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com or Dutty Berry Show on Instagram, Dutty Berry Show on Snapchat, and every other place. Alright, take care until next time.